What's wrong?
I'm not happy.
What are you not happy for?
I'm not happy here.
That makes me sad.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Hey, you know what?
What does that mean?
No, Daddy's not coming yet.
Hi, Mommy.
Because he's not done on the ride. Can you see the people going down the hill?
Huh?
Can you see the people going down the hill?
No.
Would you like to go so you can watch?
No.
Are you going to stop crying?
No.
Are you going to be happy with me?
No.
Fingers out of your nose.
Am I able to
Can you blow me a kiss?